varieties of succulents and also some of the cactus plants. These plants are drought tolerant plants and no need to water them on regular basis. Look at this beauty. This is ideal for a lazy gardener or a beginner gardener because you don't have to water them on regular basis. You can grow them with single leaf. These plants belongs to the family of cactus. Sandy soil mixed with rocks, especially aquarium rocks, and also you can add some perlites in the soil mixture. No need of watering on regular basis. Beautiful succulent family plants. This plant you can grow with a single leaf cutting, and when the new leaves you put them on a small planter and you will see a new plant growing with the leaf. So propagation is very easy for these succulent family plants.